To whom much is given, much is also tested. And I believe in the society, when you get to the chair that stands in front of us, you are tested. But what does that mean? That means that there should not be a hierarchy when we get to the society, but rather on the basis of merit that a person should get to sit above there. Now what we should may understand is that when we see 150 people sitting in front of us, they're here for a reason. And what's the reason? It's for the development of this very district. Whatever this district may mean is irrelevant to this factor. What it actually considers is that education reaches the levels that it hasn't before, and Alhamdulillah, we have seen many new scholarships being developed. We have seen many new people rise up to the occasion due to these scholarships given by the society. Now, what do we as the next generation present? We understand and acknowledge the very achievements of the society done by our parents sitting behind us, but what we promise is that we'll take this society to another level. We'll act as catalysts for this society to move forward, providing us as injections for it to move further, and having more successful people coming from this area. And we've seen many districts copy our ideas, and we've seen, Alhamdulillah, many people rise up to the occasion in front of us. And inshallah, we as the next generation, we provide that we will not have a hierarchy, rather on the basis of merit. Me and my family members and all those who wanted to come to jump to the area, we want that everybody stand together for the purpose of education within this region, and we stand that there may be no hierarchy, rather on the basis of merit, there will be the next people that sit there, whether it be me, whether it be my cousins. But I promise that it will be my biggest pleasure if I get the opportunity to sit there, and I will try and work my hardest, whether on which corner of the world may I be. I'll try that Goanna be the biggest district and the biggest and the people of all the world know where all educationists are coming from, and inshallah this place will be on the heavens of themselves.